that one next. That's how we got there though might be more problem. I've owned this house in Abilene going on 25 years. I watched the other side of the fall. I had one in the front that went right down between me and my brother-in-law's car.
Okay guys, what about you? Should be back in power, sir. The lights should be back on.
All right, man, I really do. Okay, you know what? You want to hear something really funny? That thing missed the car by this much. It missed the car by that much. You can move all this and then touch the car.
Missed it. It's gonna go around.
I'm scared of the horse.
Wow. Okay. Maybe I shouldn't be standing this close.
Oh, damn, they did catch the car.
That one, roll back.
Right fucking here.
This one.
Yeah. This car is...
Whoa, I shouldn't be standing here. What the? There's a wire right above us.
Come off. That wire is tucked under both branches. It's tucked under both.
How is it going to be called that way, is it? No? Oh, I don't understand. There you go. Goddamn
That's something we can compare later. That's something we can compare later.
Whoa, whoa. Ooh. Something's gonna snap and go flying. Hit me right in the head. I think he's just mainly worried about clearing the road here.
Yeah, because the car could well, they're more worried about clearing the yard than the road.
They need to clear the yards out there. They need to clear the road today. That was wow. Never would have thought this branch would. I never would have thought this tree would have fallen.
You said we had a gust of wind? Just a
really big gust of wind, but yeah, 70-mile-an-hour wind.
no shit.
One gust of it.
Yeah, one shot. Huh.
Probably from that tropical storm you said, or
Yeah, comes up from the south.
well, we're probably gonna get a few more then.
Oh yeah.
Maybe. Well, hopefully it won't be nearly as bad as what happened today. What happened now?
Ah, I can't even imagine the sound of this thing going down and snapping like it did.
Actually, they didn't make that much sound.
Really? How'd you know it was down though? I mean,
We were sitting there watching it.
oh, oh, he said something about you could see everything from a window or something.
We were right there in our doorway. We looked out, and all I saw was the tree go from this to this. Like that piece there, I saw that piece. I was like, wait a minute, it's still standing? I come outside and it's all the way over. Oh.
Ooh. There goes your fence.
Hey, but you just did a whole lot. That much work in that amount of time. He's really good at that machine.
Oh, you guys know this guy? How'd he get here?
Oh, we had to call the city
Oh.
because they took out the electrical line too.
We got car on the front that pulled it right back down. Just like one. Another one? Yeah.
Move.
I'll go to work from there.
You gotta move.
down here to take some of this.
Wind's picking up again.
Yeah, we need to make that too. Looks like wind's picking back up.
Oh, we get the shit down, the trees down. What you gonna do, knock the other one down?
Hey, you couldn't knock that one down
What the hell
somehow.
are you gonna do, knock the other fucking tree down?
Well, if we're lucky, we'll call his eyes right back
Watch
out.
it go down. I said, you see that damn gust that's coming from the damn north up there? About 70 damn miles an hour. It was blowing everything like that. All of a sudden, the tree went.
Would it get windy over here or something?
Yeah, it got really bad, man. It come right through there and it just blew the hell out of the tree. It just went straight down.
Oh.
Wham! Ask him. That's my grandson, man. That's
It
watched
rained
it.
just a buck or two up on town.
My favorite
What?
part.
Then the sun come out and everything.
I know. Well, you know why?
What?
Alberto.
Oh, yeah.
Alberto.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah. Alberto is coming up right now. It's in Panama
wait, bringing on a
City.
woman.
It's in Panama City, and we're supposed to get that tonight.
Tonight.
We were supposed to get
So
this
this is
tonight.
just the start.
This was the very beginning. This is the first shot of Alberto. The next one's coming tomorrow, like badass thunderstorms.
Tomorrow,
But
huh?
that's okay because it ain't gonna knock my tree down.
I must have knocked it back that way.
It's a good thing that old Explorer, whatever.
It's right here.
Yeah.
And it would have just nailed the shit out of it, right on top of it. It hit Ron, I'm not shitting you.
Why'd you
that
move
far
it?
away from it.
Why'd you move
I
it?
was
Did you
getting
know
ready
this
to
was
try
going to
to work
happen?
on it.
Oh.
Yeah, I was getting ready to start working on it. So I pulled it up there and then, bam. Yeah, I got luck, man. I guarantee you, man. I got one fell in the front, not that damn big around, about 100 feet tall. It fell right between my wife's car and my son-in-law, brother-in-law's car, and landed like that, and the whole branches went over the whole entire damn car, not one scratch on either car. The other one was right there.
yeah, it's on the
It
other
fell
side.
that direction. It went all the way up that woman's house, knocked the bricks off the damn chimney, and knocked a hole about that big in the roof.
Hey, that was like 7 years ago? or-
Yeah,
I was
yeah.
here when that happened.
Yeah.
But I didn't have a camera then.
Oh. Well,
And I didn't have a
anyway,
YouTube channel
yeah,
yet.
no shit. And like that.
All right, as you can see on here, well, I'll tell you, when I started filming that, it was at 6:35, and the guy that owned the property said it came by about 20 minutes before that, so we're talking about 6:15 this evening, and you can see this radar here starts at over here in the corner at 8:40, and it goes to 10:30. I can't go before then. I wish I had popped this up after I started filming, but I didn't think about it till I was editing the video. So I got the video done, and I wanted to go to this to, you know, to see if this was exactly what happened. And he's right. You can see the storm, tropical storm, hit. It looked like Panama City, and steadily moving to the north, slightly to the west. And this is where I am, the tip of this little marker here. Then it's Cape Girardeau in Missouri, city of Cape Girardeau. And you can see this band here that most likely created that wind surge. And you can see this is a little over 2 hours and well, an hour and 50 minutes of a loop here. And like I said, that gust of wind must have came by at 6:15, because I started recording at 6:35. He said it came by 20 minutes before I got there, and the city was already there, and the people from the power place were there. So yeah, here it is right here. Seems to be dissipating right here. So that's a good thing, because we have this other one right here, right behind it coming. Let's move this up just a little bit here, or right there. So it's coming up Alabama here, and we got a second I'm going to call these bands. I don't know what the correct term is, but we got this one here that is breaking up, and it looks like it probably went as far north as, like I said, this starts at 8:40. The incident started at 6:15, so yeah, you got just right here, and probably, you know, that gust of wind he was talking about, that 70 mile per hour wind. You know, he had nothing to clock it, but he estimated it was probably, you know, 70 miles an hour. So there you have it. I got the footage home here, and I was showing a friend or two, and they were like, I don't know about that. And I was like, well, let me go on here and look at this. So yeah, there's your storm. I already forgot the name of it. Alberto, yeah, that's right. So Alberto is still doing something here. Well, okay, now that I've showed you that, we can update this. I think we can. How do we do that? Yeah, just refresh it. See what it's doing right now. Alright, now this is starting at 9. This is 20 minutes later. And this thing is disappearing there. Well, it got just as far north to hit us. And that one's, what's this one doing here? Oh, it's hard to say. Oh, there, right at the end there. 10:50. It's 11:07 right now. This thing only goes to 10:50, and it's 11:07, so looks like this may break up some. I don't know. I'm not a meteorologist, but I'm only trying to observe what's going on here. We have a lot of trees in this neighborhood. I don't want to see another one fall. The guy was lucky. Very lucky. Alright. Oh, there you have it. Anyone north of me don't have anything to worry about. Oh, wow, what's this? We got this other son of a bitch coming in here. So between that and some of this probably coming up tomorrow, if this thing stays intact, or you know what I'm saying? We're going to have some storms here. It's going to be an interesting day tomorrow. Alright, this is David Langley signing off. Have a good evening. Please subscribe, share, and like.